Welcome to Curiosity Kids. I'm Joy with ACCPF, and I'm here today to share some fun activities with you guys that are kind of meant to get you away from your screen for a little bit and outside. We want to try to get you into your backyard even, your front yard, your park, your balcony, your patio, anywhere where you can get some fresh air and start exploring the world around you. So today I am going to show you how to make a nature journal. Now this is a fun little activity, and it's something that you're going to be able to use in future Curiosity Kid activities, and even on your own when you decide to go outside and take a break from things. You can take this with you and do your own nature journaling. Now if you were lucky enough to get a Park and Play last Friday, you've got a pre-made nature journal, but it's all blank. There's no cool art on it. So we've got you covered for that as well. So this is my daughter Quinn, and she's been helping me out, and she's going to be making her own nature journal. So we started by going for a walk at the park and finding some interesting things. What did we find?
We found I got some sticks. I also got leaves and stuff, and we got a weird little.
These are some seeds. It's a seed head from a plant.
And a pine tree.
That's from a redwood tree.
Yeah.
Heads, we found some more leaves and some flowers that we picked. Now, what's our rule about picking flowers?
There has to be more than 10 if you want to pick.
More than 10 if you want to pick. And then we put them in a big book and pressed them down for a few days so they're nice and flat and dried out, and that way it makes it easier for us to put them onto our nature journal. So the supplies you're going to need are paper. Any kind of paper will do that you have around the house. And then we have some cardboard, it's kind of thin cardboard, but you could reuse a box that you got a package delivered in or anything like that. We also need our nature items that we collected outside. We need glue, so you can use regular glue.
Mod Podge glue. But you should have a sponge thingy.
You need scissors, a pencil, a rubber band, and a hole punch of some kind. So let's get started. So that is it for your nature journal. So go to acparks.org. You can print out your instructions and make your journal, get outside, have some fun. And watch for the next video coming out next Monday. Bye.